It's good evening to everybody. Welcome to the class. Yes, the class is Law of Insurance, which I completed successfully the Unit 1 to Unit 5, and this is now the online classes based on the question paper, which is I'm going to show you one after another. We'll discuss it. Some more classes later. Once I become busy, then you could not see me on the online unless until there is a demand and where I do have the interest. Yes, please read what I posted on the screen. Unmute and read so that I could know that. Yeah, please.
Happiness cannot be for behind a grateful heart and a peaceful mind.
Yes, there is a good afternoon. Now we can unmute because I am getting the side sounds also. So this is the thing which I want to share you, and I am hearing you. And this is the question paper which I am sharing. And if you happen to see the question paper which is not what I say focused properly when they are taking the screenshot, not screenshot, it is a scanned shot by taking the photo with the WhatsApp. And but I can read it because I'm very close to the on the what I say on my laptop. The section A that is say the 5 into 5 that is 25 marks. Then the H means 10 is given over there. Out of 10 you have to do the 5. And this is the 3 hours question paper, not the 2 hours question paper as we stated in the COVID. Okay, doesn't matter how many question papers are there, but what we are interested in the questions. So if you see from the first A insurance, it is given. So I don't know how the people will set the question. See, how could we write if you say just insurance? That means if you have general knowledge of the insurance also, if you could write, I am sure that you will get the 3 to 4 marks. So let me start from the reverse order. Where the first A is their insurance, then the B is the wagering agreements, and the C is marine insurance, and D is utmost good faith, and E is the subrogation, and F is the settlement of policy, and G is the peril at the sea. Perils at the sea. Perils or perils at sea. The H is which is the last one is the life insurance corporation. So let me start with from the reverse side. What is the life insurance corporation? Yes. Did you have an idea, server, Mr. Server? You can you say something about the life insurance corporation? Yes, unmute and give me that.
Yes, sir. Tell me, sir.
Can you say? Oh, you are having a lot of background sound. I don't know where you are. Huh?
Okay,
I'm
sir.
get
Now,
I'm getting the very background sound. If you could reduce the sound, they can you can give me the answer. What did you understand by the life insurance corporation? Suppose if I ask you what is the life insurance corporation, what would be your answer?
the Life Insurance Corporation, what they do is that if there is any issue, if any policymaker has any health issues,
Hmm.
then they like depends upon their policy, sir.
Okay.
What kind of policy they accept it,
Hmm.
and the policymaker gets the benefit
Hmm.
according to the uh, insured, the company corporation which insures.
Hmm. Why do you make the insurance?
So, if there is any health issues, and it might be helpful, sir, because the expenditures will be beared by the company according to the policy, sir.
Hmm.
So, it gives benefit to the insurer.
Okay. That means insurer can sleep bindas if any untoward incident happen to
Yes,
him because
yes,
that damages will be indemnified by the insurer.
yes,
Yeah. So that is the purpose of the insurance because with a meager amount he cannot afford to pay that much medical bill
yes,
or that much any other thing is concerned. Either motor vehicle
yes,
is concerned or health is concerned or property is concerned. But we are dealing with the only life insurance. That means it is about the life.
yes, sir.
So when you say even the life insurance corporation having insurance for the non-living things also, like it can make the fire insurance, it can make the what I say the
Yes,
marine insurance. It will also do the other policies also, isn't it?
yes,
Yeah. Now let us
yes,
see. what exactly the life insurance will do. Yes, I think you could able to see my screen. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
when I come to the point, see, shall I magnify? It's okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The Life Insurance Corporation, that is called the LIC of India, it is a statutory body. It is made with the Act. See, the life insurance is the only public sector life insurance company in India. It is the public sector. What do you mean by public sector?
It is undertaken by the government, sir.
Which government?
Government of India.
Yes, that is your. So you can say central government. So it's a very good word. So it was founded. It is founded in 1956 with the merger of the more than 245 insurance companies. So it is there are small companies are there. So they merged it. More than 245 insurance companies. Now you can mute it. So I am not get. If you mute it,
Okay.
I could not get the your sounds. Yes, when you speak, you can unmute it. Yes, come to the point. It was founded in the 1956 with the merger of the more than 245 insurance companies and provident societies. Suppose if you could not know the figure 245 in the examination, and you don't know the even the 1956 also, then you can say in 1950s you can say also. This is the way you can keep your ignorance. You can hide your ignorance to the examiner. So it was founded in 1956. Suppose you are very sure about the 1956, you can write it 1956. If you are doubtful, don't write 1958, 57. If you want to hide your ignorance, you say in 1950s means from 50s to 60s. So that is the idea behind. So in the 1956, with the merger of the more than 245, if you know that remember the figure, you can cite it. If you don't remember the figure, then many insurance companies and provident societies are merged over there in 1956. With the merger, that the LIC of Corporation of India is emerged. So LIC of India has its headquarters in Mumbai. So earlier it is said to be the Bombay. So the commercial capital of the India, the Life Insurance Corporation, Bombay is the only commercial capital of India, or any other thing also is famous? Yes,
Sir.
the Bombay is only the
Yes, sir.
famous for the commercial capital of India, or any other also.
Bollywood also, sir.
Famous for-
It
Bollywood,
is
Bollywood.
it is Bollywood and
that means commercial also, no, sir.
yes. But
Yes,
commercial,
sir.
that also commercial is a business only, but specifically the name is given
Yes.
Bollywood, Tollywood,
Yes.
Nollywood,
Yes.
Hollywood. So these are the things are there, and in addition to that, there is a gateway of India is there. It is a harbor also there, and a good harbor. So next is the Life Insurance Corporation currently functions with the 8 zonal offices and 130 divisional offices. So the biggest in the in India, the insurance company is there, and the life insurance company is the largest life insurance company in India with over 2,000 branches and over 14 lakhs of the agents to solicit life insurance business in the country. So mute. I'm getting the sound. When you want to speak, you can unmute it. Yes, you mute it. Very good. Yes. So it is having the 14 lakhs of the agents which is solicit the insurance business in the country and having the 202,000 branches are there. How many branches are there? It is 2,000 nearly branches are there with 14 lakhs to solicit the life insurance business in the country. The LIC of India provides a wide range of the life insurance plans from the pure term insurance plans to the savings and investment products. See, not only for the life, it will deal to the insurance plans and savings, even savings also there and investment products and LIC of India has a phenomenal presence in the both the urban and the rural India. Yes, it is nook and corner also. It is crawled. Rather, I can use the word. The motto of the Life Insurance Corporation is yes. What is the motto of the Life Insurance Corporation? Yes, here it is clearly mentioned in there. Can you read what is written in the quotation? Yoga Kshemam Vahamayam Vahamyam Yogakshemam Vahamyam, which means your welfare is our responsibility. Your welfare is our responsibility. Yes. What is the logo? What is the logo? Sarwar, you unmute it. I'm getting the sound. Of course, Yakub, you unmuted. Very good. Yakub, Dada, Yakub, you also unmute it. Otherwise, I will get the sound. Huh? So when you want to speak, you can speak it by unmuting it. Huh? So the logo of the LIC is two hands covered the a lamp. Which lamp? Deepam. Deepavali Deepam. That is the a clay plate having the wick in it, which is lightning. That is the logo of the LIC. Okay, now let us see the types of the LIC plans are concerned. As a pioneer of life insurance India, the Life Insurance Corporation offers a wide range of the comprehensive insurance products. It's a diverse customer base and maximize the ability saving the insurance holders. So, Life Insurance of India focuses majorly on safeguarding the interest of the insurance holders and acts as a trustee in their individuals as well as the collective abilities. Let us take a look at the various types of the plans from the Life Insurance Corporation of India. Number one, LIC term insurance plans. This is one of the plan. The term insurance plans, the term plans protect the insured as at affordable cost. The LIC plans ensure the substantial advantages in a case of the death of the policyholder during the term of the plan. The LIC of India usually does not pay the maturity value under such plans at the individual service until the term of the plan ends. The term policy comes to the low cost and caters to the high coverage at the lower premium rates. So the term plans offered by the Life Insurance Corporation India as follows, as under. What is the LIC tech term? That in 18 years to 65 years plan, the maximum maturity age is 80 years and the policy term is 10 to 40 years and the minimum sum assured is 50,000. And the LIC Jeevan Amar, that is from 18 years to 65 years and 80 years maximum maturity age and 10 to 40 years, you get 25,000. Is it a 1/10? 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakhs. That I got 25 lakhs. Is it 25 lakhs? No. Yes, 1/10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh. Yeah, 10 lakhs. 25 lakhs. Is the 25 lakhs down, Jeevan Amar, and there is a 50 lakhs. That is the one of the LIC tech term. And the LIC tech term features are many are there, but we cannot remember all those things. But general things are we can write it. It offers a longer protection for up to 40 years, and no age boundaries. It is available for anyone who is 18 years of age and above. For the non-smokers and the rebate of the premium, and also who have sound health. So why do they say non-smokers a rebate? Anyone? Unmute and give me the answer. Yes. Yeah, non-smoker in the sense that his health is good. Even a non-alcoholic also health is good. The people, not the people say no. It is a fact also because smoking is okay, but a chain smoker is a very dangerous. There is even a passive smoker is also dangerous to him rather than the chain smoker. So the features they have given the benefits, the flexibility of paying the premium with the three choices, namely single, limited, regular premiums. The nominee upon the demise of the insured will receive the sum assured during the policy terms. In case you don't consume any of the toxic substance, you will get health rewards at the time of the purchasing the plans. The females can avail the plan at a special price. So there is a incentive given for the female holders. The special price is there. Then it comes to the LIC Jeevan Amar. This is another policy. Again, it is having the benefits. Anyone who maintains a healthy lifestyle can avail the plan at a special price. The assured individual can enjoy the low premium rates and opted for the high sum assured. The special rate is on the premise of the life assured age. Then comes the LIC plans, pension plans. So I don't know what plan that you do have. The Yakubu. Yes, unmute and give me the answer. Sir, my insurance policy is matured already.
No, sir, I have not taken any policy from the beginning to today.
Is it not advisable to buy the policy? Suppose if nothing is happened, well and good. I wish that nothing should be happen over there. but you will get the amount which you paid already, and the incentives also you will get it instead of it is nothing but one way and another way it is a saving, is it not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, because one should have to have it. Of course, did not have it, that is the over matter is. But one should have to have it. Like a children policy also there. When the children comes to the age of their marriage, and they will get at least lump sum amount of amount at that time, even for the study purpose also. LIC pension plans also there, and in the pension plans, LIC new Jeevan Shanti plan, that is different annuity options, and LIC Jeevan Akshaya, that is 7 individual plan. It is there. Just you can write depending upon the marks awarded, because it is a short question. It is given how much you write, just one page, not more than one page, or at the most 2 pages. The reason is if you write 10 pages also, you will not score more than 5 marks. So don't waste the time. You write only to the extent of the marks which is awarded over there, and you have to extend your answer in the proportionate to it. So it is proportionate to the marks that you have to write the length of the answer, the content of the answer. Suppose if it is given the 15 marks, then you write the way I am teaching you. Suppose if they say, what are the LIC and how it will be helpful to the society or the individual or the people in India? Yes, analyze or discuss. If they ask the 15 marks question or the 20 marks question, at that instance that you can write the LIC a bit history, then you can write how many agents are there, that the biggest what is the public company it is, and having branches so and so, and having the people at least 40, they say the 4 lakhs people or 14 lakhs people is working over there, and you can write the LIC having the Jeevan Shanti plan, it is having the tech plan, it is having the pension plan, and this Jeevan Shanti again LIC Jeevan Akshay plan, that is the seventh plan they say. LIC offers the policy holder as option to the select the sort of annuity of 10 options available by paying the lump sum amount. This also we can make it out. Then we can also write the Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana, that you have to remember these yojanas, all yojanas. Then if it is the 50 marks question, the scheme essentially provides the pension and issued the 7.40% of that is payable every month. So Life Insurance Corporation of India is solely authorized for this scheme to operate. What is Pradhana Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana? So what the features of it is that the plan has no maximum entry age. You can up to the death. The pension mode of the plan is monthly or quarterly or yearly or half yearly. By any way, we can take monthly, quarterly, half yearly or yearly. The highest pension sum is criteria within the plan is the complete family. Even the complete family can also make it out. But when you say the complete family, naturally the premium will be the more. So let us see the every policy is having its own benefits, and the one of the benefit here given is the one can avail loans within this policy only after the completion of 3 years of the terms of the policy. So if you want the loan on this policy, then the maturity period is 3 years. The preliminary period for the eligibility for the apply for the loan is 3 years. Then we can ask for the loan on these bonds which you have taken from the insurer. Then the LIC whole life plan. This is one of the plan. It is India offers the whole life plan for the better and secure tomorrow. And this plan also gives the maximum limit is 100 age at entry, the policy terms, and 100 years maximum maturity age. And LIC Jeevan Umang, suppose if you are no more, the nominee will take the booty. Then again come the LIC Jeevan Umang. This is one of the plans which you have, and these two features, the large sum assured is accessible within this plan, and the simple reversionary bonus will be payable upon the early demise or the maturity, and enables to fulfill the policyholder liquidity requirement as well as in the case of the loan. Yes, it also every plan also gives the chance for the loan. Of course, there is the benefits also there. Then LIC endowment plan. Generally, will money back plan and endowment plan is very much famous because people try to use this endowment plan, and even Jeevan Sati also, the money back policy. Of course, the people, those who are employees, they will apply for the pension policy. So this endowment policy, the life insurance of India offers the endowment plans with the additional benefits. For instance, a few plans take part in the company gains while other plans produce a saving via making the investment in equity market. So in this endowment plan, now you will get some of the what I say dividends there. Yes, because the amount which you pay, they will keep in the share market. So they will invest it and they will get the bonus comes now. You will get the bonus also. These are the endowment plans that the LIC of India offers. Then it is the 8 to 55 years only and 90 days to 65 years a single premium endowment plan. And the LIC New Jeevan Anand, this is another plan in the endowment itself, which is 15 years to 35 years, and the amount is 1 lakh. And the single premium is 50,000. And again, the LIC new endowment plan is 1 lakh. It's a 1 lakh period because 1/10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh. Yeah, that is the thing. And Jeevan Labh is there another plan, and LIC New Bhima Bachat, and then LIC Aadhar Sheela, then LIC Jeevan Lakshya. Sir, how could we remember all those things, sir? Yes, if the 15 marks question is asked for the LIC, then naturally you have to write a proportion to the marks which is awarded there. Then LIC new endowment plan also there. Better you consult one of the agent. Now he will give a good nutshell regarding the plans. And if you once hear it with him, then I'm sure that you will never forget it. At least broader 5 to 10 plans that you can keep it in your memory. Then you can write it if you score the good marks in the SAR. If it comes now, we leave it in the option. That is your choice. If others are very tough, better you do these things because even general also you can write it if you have an idea about the LIC policies and plans. So LIC single premium endowment plan. This is the one mode, and the benefit is after the initial year of the policy, a loan facility will be available. So only first initial year of the policy, then the loan facility is available under this one, and the policy holder is aware tax benefits for the premium paid in the receiver's claims. Yes, and now I would like to test you the both of the people those who are there. Then who will fix the policy premium? Yes,
Sir, actuary.
this is actually will make it out. I appreciate every time that you are giving the answer, but other people are very much silent. They did not. They don't want to take the first opportunity thing. So if the risk is more, the premium is more. If the risk is less, the premium is less. If the age is more, the premium is more. If the age is less, the premium is less. So generally, you can also write to. I don't say to fill the papers, but it is a fact also because you have to score the 15 marks means you have to add which are very much relevant to it. And you can also write the actuary because the actuary is a person who fixes the premium and he is well versed in. Actuary is well versed in. Voice breaking. Yeah, he is well versed in mathematics as well as in statistics. Mostly the statistics, his basic idea is there because they will fix it, they will make it out, make the best use of the application it is there. And statistics is not the pure mathematics, it is the application, the applied mathematics. Yes, this new Jeevan Anand is a very good policy where they can say the loan can be availed within the plan of the surrender value is acquired. If the surrender value will be there, naturally the loan will be applied, and the option of the regular premium payment is provided by the policy holders, and the rebate on the premium also permitted for selecting the high level of the sum assured. Yes, there is a rebate available in the premium if the high rate is selected for the high level of the assured and also paying the premium semi-yearly or yearly. So that is the another policy we can make it out. LIC Jeevan Labh, that is the another policy. It is a non-linked policy limited to the premium paying the endowment life insurance plan that offers both the protection and saving of the policy holders. Then LIC Jeevan Labh, then we can go to the benefits. The policy lets you to avail the perks in the form of rebates. So this is the perks they will get it in the form of rebates to you. In the case the policyholder survives, then the insured will avail the benefit such as sum assured upon the maturity, final additional bonuses are and simply reversionary bonuses available over there. So if there is no demise would be there, naturally the bonus will be given including the rate which is fixed over there by the maturity. Then another policy is set with the LIC new Bhima Bachat. That is a Bhima Bachat policy. This is a money back plan. This is very good because mostly the money back plan or endowment plan is famous. So this is a money back plan that provides the financial security against the demise during the policy tenure, with the provision of the making the payment of the survivor benefit at a certain point of time with the policy tenure. Besides, upon the maturity, the single premium will be returned with the loyalty additions, and also takes the care of the liquidity requirement with its facility of loan. Yes, in this policy, after the maturity, that you will get whatever you paid it, including the bonus and incentives also paid to you. But in one form, in another form, if you join in, if you buy anyone in policy of the LIC, it may be a plus point to you only, but not a negative point. Yes, then another plan is LIC Aadhar Sheela. So this is the another plan where the LIC Aadhar Sheela policy caters to a combo of savings and production. It's a combo. What is meant by combo? Yes, unmute and give me the answer.
Sir, it is the combination of two or more plans, sir.
Yes, it is the combinations of two or more plans are says combo. So the combo of both the savings and production, though the things would be there in Aadhar Sheela, the scheme is wholly designed for the females who have the Aadhar card that is issued by the Unique Identification Authority of India. Aadhar card full form is
Unique Identification
Authority of India.
Authority of India. Yes,
The
sir.
policy, yes, that is they will say Aadhar. So the policy of the LIC of India offers the fiscal security for the insured family in the case of the unforeseen demise in the insured any time before the policy gets matured, and a lump sum at the maturity of the policy for the surviving insured. Suppose the demise is be there, naturally the higher benefit will be to the dependent, and if with no demise is there, then the maturity also will get the full amount what is insured over there plus its bonus. Yes, other rebates also will get it. The features are concerned, the plan is exclusively available only for the females. This Aadhar Sheela is those who are having the Aadhar card. And the maturity sum is tax exempted within the section 10 of the 10D. There is a tax exemption is there. But now I believe that somebody told me that tax exemption is removed. Is it?
Yes,
For
sir.
all?
Income tax exemption, no, sir, I don't know.
No, no. It is in this because many people are making the fake one that say they removed the slab, what I called it, in the new financial policy. So LIC Jeevan Lakshya is there, another policy. So, sir, how many policies you have to write, sir? Then I already told you how much you could remember, that much you write it depending upon the question. Again, the LIC Aadhar Stambh. Here, Aadhar Lakshya, this is. Is it Aadhar Lakshya? No, Aadhar Sheela, this is. Because Sheela you have to remember. LIC Aadhar Sheela, Sheela Madam, you have to remember it. And here we can remember this LIC Jeevan Lakshya. Here Aadhar Stambh. Okay, pillar you have to remember it. Stambh. There Sheela, here the Stambh. Okay. It is a non-linked participating scheme of the offering the combo saving and production, and the scheme caters to the annual income benefit that might be helpful for the requirement of the insured family, mainly for the children's benefits. Yeah, that is for the ladies' benefit, and this is for the children benefits, which is Stambh. So it is like a shelter to the not shelter. It is a help like a pillar. The children will take the help of the pillar and they will grow. That is the idea behind it. In the case of the unforeseen death of the insured, at any time before the policy get insured and lump sum at the time policy maturity, heedless of the policyholder survival. Of course, the lump sum would be given over there. If the death would become, the demise would be there, then the total, the amount would be given at the time. And after the no demise would be there, maturity period is there, then the total amount plus its benefit also be provided by the policy to the policy holder. If the policy holder dies, then to the nominees those who survived over there by the insurer. And here in insurer is LIC. So the policy is LIC Aadhar Stambh. So again LIC money back plans. This is the mostly that I told you endowment policy and the LIC money back plans. They are very much famous. In money back plans are life insurance policy that provides a life cover during the policy term, and the payment of maturity benefit is made in installment via survival advantage of the 5 years. So generally the people will make this policy, money back policy, of course depending upon the nature of it here given the policy age and amount and period, then everything clearly mentioned over there. So next comes the LIC Jeevan Shiromani. Oh, this is another policy. So what I want to say is, depending upon the nature of the question and depending upon the marks, you have to write the different type of the policies are concerned regarding the if LIC is asked for the 50 mark or 20 marks question. So LIC Jeevan Tarun and its future, LIC New Money Back Plan 20 years, then LIC New Children's Money Back Plan, then we'll come to the LIC New Money Back Plan of 25 years. Then there are two plans are there. One is the New Children's Money Back Plan is there, and one is again the New Money Back Plan for the 25 years is there. Where is the online service provider by the LIC? Yes, now the online services are there, which is providing the LIC. One need not to go over there. One can make it on the online. Of course, that will be checked by the agent. If you are thorough enough that you can do it, if not, the agent will help you to make the policy in online, where the time consuming is very much less, and the both party will get the good satisfaction on the spot. You can know the result of it. So LIC status, they have given how to check it, LIC status. So these are the things which will be come under the LIC of India. And I have given the point in the earlier classes also. I have given this lecture regarding the Life Insurance Corporation of India. I wrote the brief history there, and already this is what I say uploaded in the YouTube, and you can listen, you can watch it, I can see it. The link is just to write my name plus the topic which I want to read it, and I'm sure that you will get in the YouTube. So there I mentioned some of the milestones of the life insurance business in India with the date wise. I mentioned in that YouTube some of the important milestones in general insurance business in India also that I made with its YouTube. So 107. Now the question comes: what are the insurance or companies are there? Then the National Insurance Company Limited, the New India Assurance Company Limited, the Oriental Insurance Company Limited, the United India Insurance Company Limited, the GIC Incorporated as a company, general insurance companies. But LIC is a separate, which is also a public company, which deals with both the things. That means for the living and non-living things also, for animated and inanimate things also, it could be sell the policies. So with this, I would like to take the leave. Then I would like to show my thanks to you. And this is the thanks posting to you that I am sure that you could hear me and tell me that in the tomorrow class, because we will deal the another point, which is yes, another. I will show you that what I am going to deal with another, because here the question paper is there. Yes. Question paper loading. It is not loading. Yes, it is now loaded. So LIC is there. Then tomorrow, if you come to the class with reading the perils at sea or perils at sea, then perils at the sea or the perils at the sea and assignment of policy. These are the things. Perils at the sea and the assignment of policy, depending on the time factor that we can go through it, one or two. So this is the way that we can make it out. If you come and take the participatory class, then I'm sure that you will learn much more things from me. So with this, I would like to wind it out. Thank you very much for your patient listening, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same timings what I mentioned, that is 4 o'clock. With this, I will stop it. Then thank you very much and have a good day and